Hello and welcome to MBL seminar on how to transfer data out of the UK in a lawful manner. My name is Christy Goldsmith and I am a solicitor with Spencer West LLP in London. So I'm a data protection lawyer. I have been doing this since about 2017. I work for clients of all different sizes and all across the world, from UK to Europe to EU to US, Australia. So I have a lot of experience in this area. And in this seminar, I'm going to explain the law on data transfers outside of the UK and how you can manage that with your client data or any other kind of data. So this is our outline for this short seminar. It's 30 minutes. I'm going to go through what the law is on data transfers. I'm going to talk about what to look for in a data sharing agreement, when you need to use the UK's International Data Sharing Agreement, and then I'll do a summary at the end. So my first section is the UK GDPR and data transfers. Now, before I just get into definitions, I'm just going to briefly talk about the UK GDPR and the EU GDPR. Before Brexit, there was only one GDPR. And we didn't call it UK or EU, it was just the GDPR. Since Brexit, there are now two. So there's the UK and the EU. And because the government rolled the EU GDPR over into UK legislation. So in terms of transfer, this is not a seminar on EU transfers because they use a different transfer safeguarding mechanism called the standard contractual clauses. So this is a session on transferring outside of the UK, not dealing with the EU. So we're going to talk about definitions because I think it's important that you know what personal data is. And then my next slide is on controller and processors, and that you know what they actually are. So this is the definition of personal data. It's any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. Now, that person is called the data subject. And what it means by a natural person is a living, breathing individual. The GDPR doesn't apply to legal people. So legal people are limited companies, limited liability partnerships, PLCs, government organizations, charities, and that sort of thing. Those are called legal people. Natural people are, as you would expect, just a living, breathing person.